Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with yet another variation of half double crochet. We are going to work herringbone half double crochet. When you say herringbone stitches, we usually work with the doubles. But this is worked with half double crochet, and this is how a beautiful textured pattern is created, and it is little thick also, and it crisscrosses. So to demonstrate the stitch, I am going to use Desert Rose yarn from Hobby Store Iron Premium Acrylic Anti-Pill medium weight 4 with 2037 color code, and it does not require any multiples of any chains or whatever. So many number of stitches plus one chain for the foundation. So I'll make the necessary number of chains for demonstration and get back to you. As usual, I am using my 5mm Clover Amor hook. I have made 11 chains. I want 11 stitches. So one more chain and make a herringbone half double crochet in the very first, in the second chain from the hook. Insert the hook in the stitch designated, pull out the loop and pull that loop through the first loop closest to the stitch. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So first herringbone half double crochet is made. Now yarn over, insert in the next chain, pick up the loop, pull through the chain and pull through the loop that is nearest to the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert in the chain, pull this picked up loop through the first loop, that is the loop that is closest to the stitch, pull through. So you can see that the stitches are slanting towards the left. So when we come back, it will slant to the other side. So that is how the pattern gives a slanted stitch look. So we need to work the stitch carefully. So pulling through this loop is easy, but pulling through the loop that is closest to the stitch is little dicey. So we should be very careful when you work the herringbone stitches. And they slant. So the stitch is not a very comfortable stitch to work in the round because they slant to one side. When we work in the round, we need to apply different techniques to keep them aligned. So again, this is a 1 row repeat pattern. So I always begin my stitches with a chain. I don't begin with a slip knot. This place, it might look to go little towards inside, doesn't matter. When you make the squares and all, you avoid the slip knots, because when we need to join the squares, this is going to work great. The slip knot will pop out. Okay, now we have completed the first row. Chain 1 and turn, and in the very first stitch we are going to make the herringbone half double. Chain 1 and turn. So the first one is little dicey. Yeah. If you're not comfortable for the first stitch, you can just make half double crochet directly at both the ends and continue with the herringbone half double in the subsequent stitches. That is also fine. So hold it. So you're holding the piece and working makes a lot of difference, and you can hold it the way you're comfortable with. See, unconsciously I was about to make the extended half double. So you're very likely to make that mistake. So be very careful and concentrate when you're working the herringbone stitches. These herringbone stitches are a great pattern for your sweaters, cardigans. So you can use the herringbone double too. See, my hook moves so smoothly. So I need to check whether I have the 11 stitches here. Yes, 11. So this is how the pattern develops. It's a very simple stitch. It's a one row repeat, and look how beautifully these small textures are formed. So it's because this is a dark color. Yeah, you can see these textures here. They give a beautiful effect to your patterns. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. These stitches may be simple, but while working you have to concentrate a lot when you work with these stitches, and you're very likely to go wrong in the end stitches and lose count. So we should be very careful. Off and on we need to check the number of stitches is right or wrong. Accordingly we need to go with the pattern. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we post in our channel. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.